My name is Chris, and I'm known as Local Titan on Twitter. I'm a local dev currently working with a product studio to bring innovative products to life. And on the side, I like to build things. And I was super excited when I first learned about the Half Day Build Challenge. I wanted to challenge myself to build a product in half day. And the idea that came to mind was a conversation app starter. So I previously built a crypto arbitrage app that processed over 7 figures for its users while it lasted before the government shut us down. All right, enough about me already. So let's talk about ConvoAI. ConvoAI is a conversation starter assistant that helps you get a conversation started or keeps one flowing. People are more interested in what you have to say when they know you're interested or when they believe you're first interested in them. And that's what ConvoAI helps you achieve. But let's be honest, trying to read up on everyone and get to read up on the posted tweets before you get into conversation with them, it takes a lot of time. What if you could just grab a person's Twitter URL and put it into your AI assistant and listen to the recent tweets and get the AI assistant get you points on how to lead the conversation? Well, that's what ConvoAI is all about. We're kind of like still pre-revenue. It was built on Sunday, about 2 or 3 days ago. We currently have just 3 users, and the tool I used in building this was Bubble. The current cost for running it is $0. It's still on the free version of Bubble, but it can move up from there. The opportunities for growth, or what are the opportunities using ConvoAI? You can see that in sales outreach. You want to get into pitch someone or pitch a lead, you can easily grab your Twitter URL and get a first line to use to pitch them, or if you're pitching a podcast guest, or probably you want to send out an email for a job, maybe college applications, or you want to connect to your heroes. These are some of the ways or the opportunities I've seen that you can use ConvoAI to get the conversation started or keep one flowing. Like I said, ConvoAI was built in Bubble, and I used the ChatGPT OpenAI API to do that, and also the Page API plugin to listen to tweets on Twitter. I think I'll just jump back into my screen so I can show you a demo of how that works. So pretty much all you need to do is get the Twitter link. I'm going to pull one out from here now. You get a Twitter username and you search, it pulls out the person's information for you. And all you have to do is generate status, and you get the points you can use to start a conversation or keep a conversation flowing. Another interesting thing you can do is you can save the conversations or save some of the status you have for later use. But if you don't like any of this you generated, you can easily generate fresh new points and keep your conversation going. Let me jump back in here. All right, so like I said, this was built about 3 days ago, so pretty much not generated so much, but there are a few people that have shown interest in it, and Harold was one of them that was pretty amazed by what I built, and Lee also from Lee Launches. He was the person I heard about the Half Day Build Challenge from, and that's why I joined the Half Day Build Challenge. So once again, we are kind of pre-revenue, about 3 to 4 users signed up on it. And this is the domain in case you want to check it out.